this part. Drag it here. Now when you right click here, you can see the default list of materials which you can edit for quick reference, or you can say configure material. Oh, I'm sorry, not that. Edit material and select the material from the list of Solidworks materials, steel group, iron group, alloys, plastics, non-metals, rubber, wood, etc. You can even create your custom materials by copying and pasting. Like for example, I'll select what plastic, let's see, ABS. I'll copy this and go to my plastics, oops, paste it, and maybe rename it to, and then change the properties here and use that material. So what I'm going to do is to select copper alloy, for example, aluminum bronze, apply to the part and close. Well, it says that I have created a custom material. Yes, I want to change the material library. It's keeping it. Now it's aluminum bronze. Save and get back to the assembly technical drawing. Now you can see the aluminum bronze written as the material. And since the weight calculation is not done on follower, it's not given there, so I get back to the follower and create an equation, weight calculation, which is mass times 9.81, tab, OK, and then go to file properties and add a weight property and get that data from the weight calculation equation, and done. Save and get to the assembly, and now there it is. It's red. And this is how it goes. Now once you are set with the I think I can make these bold, wouldn't I? I don't know, I forgot that. The first row, no, formatting, no, anyway, okay. So if you are satisfied with the set of parts list, you can do this. You can right click and save it as a BOM template. Preferably save it to the folder on which the project you're working on. So this is BOM template, project BOM template, say project 1 BOM template, and save it. So for a another drawing file, if you insert the CAM assembly back again, you can just call the same table and it's automatically going to, I'll select the view, and it's going to automatically set the latest template as the default and say OK, and here it comes. This is something you have to do before you create all of your technical drawings. And this is how the parts list is created and saved as a template. I'm going to close this last window and stop here the part that is related to the BOM bill of materials list.